Good day everyone, today we got a ZTE blade A110. We need to replace the touch here. The phone is switching on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 screws. The touch isn't working, so I'm just gonna open all the screws. It's ZTE blade A110. All the screws are out. So you can stick something in there at one corner. The back cover comes out. It has locks all around, as you can hear. Okay, so we put the back cover somewhere. There is no screw there. We're going to remove the LCD quickly. And there is a touch flexi. We remove the touch. If you have to heat up, you can heat up a bit. Sometimes it doesn't come out easily, but because we are replacing it, so I'm not that much worried. I'll heat it up just now. And the main thing, these flexis are the one that you must be careful about. You don't get them easily if you break them. So power and your volume flexi. If it doesn't come out, we're going to heat it up a little bit so we can remove it. It can loosen up the sticky glue. I heated up and you can see that it came off. You don't need to remove the board though. I can see that we can slide it through easily or not. Let's see if we can slide it through. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem sliding it through from the front. So we're going to heat up this side. I put the heat on 220, or you can see, or if you got a heat gun, medium to high, and heat up all around so it can come off. Once it is hot enough that you can't touch it easily, then in my case it was broken, so I just slide it in from one side. It's glass, so you can see. Just be careful with it. LCD is also connected to the touch with that sticky tape. So now the flexi is out. Just go through all around nicely with the plastic tool or something. You don't want to break the LCD. So you can use something like this. Heat it up a little bit more if you needed it. So we don't want to break the screen. It's glued to the touch also on the sides. Touch is out. We can clean the sides with the brush. Now we can install the new touch after it is cleaned. It has this double sticky side tape, so I'm not gonna remove it until I tested that it's working proper. Then we can stick it, or if we need glue, then we can put some glue. So slide in the touch strip in there. can put back the LCD, which you don't need to remove if you're doing it from front, which is easily replaceable from front. The touch panel. I'm gonna quickly switch it on to test it. It's asking for a pin, so we can only check the digits. It's working perfectly. Emergency call. So now we can close it. Now we can remove this double sticky side tape, and either you can remove the whole thing. I think we need to remove the whole thing, remove the back cover, and then stick it back and just put the screws. So this is how you basically change touch on Vodafone Blade V110. I hope you like the video. Please share it, subscribe my channel. I need subscriptions. Until next time, goodbye.